Welcome to Joey's Tech, my friend, and in this video you will learn how to sort a list in Python. This video is a pure hands-on video. You can see I already have my terminal open and you should open it too, because following along with me is going to help you understand the sorting of lists in Python better. And when you code, you will have doubts, which is good because that's the key to becoming a successful programmer, getting answers to your doubts. By the way, you can put down all the doubts you have in the comment section. I promise I'll answer them. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, because that way you'll be notified every time I release videos like these. Now let's begin sorting Python lists. I have this list which we will sort now. To sort a list in Python, we have a sort method. Let's use it. So it will be li, which is our list name, and sort. Let's print it. It is Python prompt. So we'll simply write li and hit enter. There you go. The list is sorted. We have another method, sorted, that does the sorting for us of Python lists. The difference between sort and sorted method is sort method sorts the same list, whereas sorted method returns a sorted list. Therefore, while doing it in Python prompt, we need not print it. So let's recreate the list to have unsorted elements and then simply call the sorted method. So I'll write sorted. Within its brackets, I'm going to pass this list li. Hit enter. There you go. The list is sorted. You can see the list is sorted, but the original list li is still unsorted. Let's check it by printing it. Basically, using the sorted method, you can create a new sorted list, but you cannot change the existing list. So I hope the difference between the two methods is clear to you. Let's now try to sort a list that contains alphabets, or I would say strings. This is my list of strings, and let's apply the sort method on it and print it. So I'm going to write li1 dot sort. Sort method applied. Now let's print the list. There you go. This list is also sorted. Now, in order to sort a list in Python in descending order, the sort function accepts an argument which is called reverse. So to sort a list like this in reverse order, all we have to do is write li2 dot sort, and within its brackets we are going to write reverse. That's the argument, and its value we are going to pass as true. We hit enter. There you go. Now let's print this list and see if it has been sorted in descending order. As you can see, the list has been sorted in descending order. We'll also do one more example of sorting this list of strings in descending order. So to do that, we'll write sl dot sort. Within its brackets, we'll write the argument reverse, and its value will pass as true. Let's print the list again. You can see that this list of strings has been sorted in descending order. There is one more argument of the sort function known as key, which we can use to sort a list in a customized way. Check out this list. If we have to sort this list depending on how close each element is to 100, then we can do it by taking the help of this key argument. Basically, the key argument takes in a function. Therefore, let's build one that returns the difference between the list element and 100. So it will be def. We'll call this function findDiff, and it's going to accept an argument, and it's going to return the difference between n and 100. We have used the absolute function over here such that a negative value is not returned. Now let's sort this out. So it will be l dot sort. Within its brackets, we will write the argument key, and as its value, we'll pass this function. So it will be findDiff. We hit enter. It executed successfully. Let's print the list now. You can see that 98 is closest to 100, then 103, then 95, and so on. Now, if I have a list of tuples like this, and if we need to sort this list based on the second element of each tuple, then we can create a function for that. So it will be def. We'll call that function second le. It's going to accept one argument n. colon, and we'll return the second element of this argument. So it will be n within square brackets 1. Now let's sort this list based on the second element of each of these tuples. So it will be L dot sort, within its brackets we'll write key, and as its value we'll pass this function second alley. Hit enter, it executed well. Let's reprint this list. You can see that the list has been sorted based on the second elements of these tuples. Another example that we should look into is that of case insensitive sort. I have this list where you can see that the elements are strings and they are of different cases. If we do a simple sort, then the result will come out as weird. Let's check this out. So it will be L dot sort. Let's reprint the list. You see this is not correct. So what we can do is take the help of the upper function over here. This function is going to first internally convert these strings to uppercase and then sort the list. So it will be L dot sort, and we'll again make use of the key argument, and as its value we'll pass str dot upper. Close the brackets, hit enter, it executed well. Let's reprint the list, and you see list has been sorted in a case insensitive manner this time. You could have also done it using the lower function. Now the final example to demonstrate the use of the key argument of the sort function is to sort a list of dictionaries based on keys. For that we have this list of dictionaries. Within each dictionary there is one key city and another key population. This is made up data, so please don't go towards checking its accuracy. Now let's sort this list based on its population. This is going to sort these dictionaries based on population key. So for that we'll write li.sort, and we are going to make use of the key argument again, and as its value we'll pass an anonymous function, and that is going to make use of lambda keyword. So it will be lambda x colon x dot get, and within its brackets we'll write population. Close the brackets, hit enter, it executed well. Let's see if we have been able to sort this list of dictionaries based on population. There you go. You can see that the list has been sorted based on population. And if you want to also sort this list based on the cities, then it's simple, right? You will replace this population with city. Let's do that and check. Let's reprint the list, and you can see the list of these dictionaries has been sorted based on cities, which is a dictionary key. This is all for this video. I suggest you get your hands dirty by playing around with the sort function. In case of any doubts, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.